7 on Gene Autry's Cowboy Code. He must be a good worker. Number 8, he must keep himself clean in thought, speech, action, and personal habits.
Just like
Number
me.
9, he must respect women,
except for
parents,
3, 5, 7, and 8.
laws. And number
I knew
10, a cowboy.
I'm a
is
cowboy.
patriot.
I always wanted a bullet tie.
I'm Kathy with a K, and this has been your morning list.
Aldemay to Catella is the fastest route, by the way.
News
Where's
and weather
Laddie?
after a word from our sponsor.
You never leave a man in scoring position!
I said let's go! I thought he'd hop in!
How? He doesn't even have any thumbs!
You said he was polydactyl!
That's cats! And Orangewood is the fastest way to the stadium. Ah! Sorry.